welcome to TestprepKart channel, and I am going to tell you today that what is important for your NTSE examination. Do you know what is NTSE examination? Because this is particular video which definitely give you a beneficial outcome or beneficial overview about NTSE examination. First of all, I would like to introduce you with this particular examination, NTSE. NTSE is basically formed that National Talent Search Examination, right? So I would like to tell you something about that, what I am going to cover in this particular video. So first of all, today in this particular video, right, first of all, before starting or before giving you a detailed information about NTSE, I would like to request you to do not stop this video for a second and do not skip this particular video for a second, my dear, because this video is going to be your life-changing video, right? Suppose that you belong to a particular family which is that particular family is not capable, right, as much as the richer one as well, right? So if you belong to the category where your education is definitely a good target, as well as you are finding any problem in your in continuing your education, right? So those particular problems will have this particular solution, right? So today I'm going to tell you about the NTSE overview, advantage of NTSE examination, eligibility criteria for Indian and NRI students, right? And NTSE syllabus, which is most important, my dear, NTSE qualifying marks, and at the last of this particular video, I'm going to tell you about that what kind of books or are the books available in market in according to the NTSE syllabus and all, or which book are focusing NTSE examination. So definitely at last you will get one good information regarding this particular thing. So let's get started, my dear. So first of all, I would like to tell you that yes, what is the overview of NTSE examination? What I told you that NTSE stands for National Talent Search Examination. So the National Council of Educational Research and Training, that is NCERT, right, is an autonomous organization. Means NCERT is organizing this particular examination, right? This particular, and up in 1961 by the government of India to assist what and advise the central and state government on policies and programs for qualitative improvement in education. So what they did actually, they initiated for those particular people who are definitely going through financial crisis or somewhere like that. Means no talent ruined just because of financial condition. So this particular NTSE examination gives you a criteria where you definitely find a particular way to carry on your study properly in your upcoming future. Okay, let me tell you something more about NTSE examination. NTSE, or you can say National Talent Search Examination, is a national level examination. First of all, I would like to tell you, this is not a state level examination, my dear, conducted by NCERT for granting scholarship to the meritorious student. Again, I underline this particular word, meritorious. Yes, if you are meritorious, or if you are a below average student, if you want to become a meritorious student, then definitely you will be benefited with a lot of scholarships in India, right? So, students studying in class 10th, yes, the students studying in class 10th, NTSE is hold, or you can say held, for 10th standard student, and the exam is conducted in two different stages, the first stage and the second stage. So first of all, I would like to tell you that the first stage exam is state level exam and is conducted by the Indian state and UTs, United Territories, Union Territories. On the other hand, NTSE stage 2 is conducted for those students who clear first stage. Yeah, definitely this is, you can say this is the preliminary examination and the mains one, right? Okay. So as mentioned earlier, only those who qualified NTSE stage 1 will be eligible to write stage 2 examination. This is the main criteria. Meanwhile, the objective of organization NTSE 2 is to award scholarship to the potential candidates who are aspiring to pursue higher education in the field of science or social studies. With these scholarships, the student will be able to continue their education in their desired stream. NTSE scholarship will be awarded on the basis of overall performance, means stage 1 and stage 2 of the both stages in the examination. So what are those crucial advantages, right? What encourages you to do the performance and appear for this particular examination? So let me tell you guys, around 2,000 scholarships are awarded for each stage of education. These stages are for class 11th and class 12th. A scholarship of rupees 1250 per month is provided for undergraduates. Yes, undergraduate means 11 and 12. Because the eligibility criteria of this particular examination is 10. Okay. Postgraduate, a scholarship of 2,000 rupees per month is provided. For PhD, the scholarship amount is fixed in accordance with the UGC norm, my dear. So this is the particular advantage what you are looking for and why you are giving this particular examination appearing. So let me tell you what is the perfect eligibility criteria for this particular examination. So the NTSE exam requires candidate to be registered with the state or union territories exam conducting body first. Then only Indian nationals are eligible to apply. Means there isn't any NRI inclusion in this particular examination. So first of all, what I told you in that overview list, right, that NRI quota was also given there, but there isn't any NRI quota over here. Means the student who are in abroad wanting to give NTSE examination, no, they are not allowed. So the candidate who are in class 10th can also apply for the test. The candidate who are in class 10th apply for this particular test. The candidate who wish to give NTSE exam in class 10th must have cleared the class 9th examination. Means who want to give the NTSE during 10th, definitely they have to pass that particular exam, which is class 9. Yeah, it is obvious actually, right? Because before without passing examination of class 9, you cannot be appear in class 10th, right? Okay, let me tell you something about more. Okay, the candidate must have completed the class 9th examination with minimum 60% marks. Yes, this is the main criteria, my dear, and this is the eligibility criteria, right? Okay, let me tell you something about the age limit and the stage 1 qualification for that. So the candidate must have obtained a degree or recognized by the board. The student who have completed appearing for the class 10th examination are registered under open distance learning, that is ODL, can appear for NTSE examination. Students who have secured 80% on the state board are eligible for the stage 2 of the NTSE examination. Yes, point to be noted, my dear student, right? If you are opportunized with 80% marks in your state board, then you are directly eligible for stage 2 examination, right? Okay, so every year around 4,000 candidates appear for stage 2 of the NTSE exam. The candidate who cleared NTSE stage 2 with the minimum marks defined are eligible for scholarships. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about the syllabus, right, which is most important actually at the same time. So exam name is, you already know the exam name. Conducting body, you already know. Application, the year, actually once in a year, right? You can apply once in a year. Application mode is online, my dear, and the mode of exam is offline. But yeah, there is one confusion over here which is not yet cleared just because of pandemic, right? The NCERT might be possible to take this particular examination online, right? So you have to be aware of this particular thing. Exam duration is 4 hours, means 2 hours for MAT and 2 hours for SAT, my dear. Let me tell you the stage 1. So the tentative dates are also given over there, and this is not fixed yet, just because the pandemic, many examination are going to postpone, right? Why? Because I have given you a particular overview of this particular examination. I'm not able to give you the exact date just because the condition is not normal, right? Okay. Yeah, I'm going to tell you the exam pattern, which is actually right. Just like MAT, the maximum marks of MAT is 100. The number of question is also 100, and the time allotted for this particular section is 120 minutes, means 2 hours, right? If I talk about SAT, means mathematics, science, and social science, my dear. This is called SAT, right? 100 maximum marks are there, 100 questions are there, and again 120 minutes means 2 hours. Okay, what is the qualifying marks actually, right? See guys, 40% marks in each paper for general category students. Actually, you know that our in India there is some reservation categories as well. So the difference is quite bigger actually over here as well. 32% marks in each paper for SC/ST student or PH category, physically handicapped. Category reservation is scheduled caste 15%, scheduled tribe 7.5%, and person with a disability, that is 3%. Okay, now what is going to be actually, right? So the thing is actually, right, yeah, I am going to sum up this particular video right now with giving you an exact detail of your books, that what kind of books you definitely require to perform this particular examination and definitely get a successful marks in this particular examination. So I have given you such books name over here, that is a study package of NTSC class 10 pre-back, that is in the you can say actually McGrill, this is particular publisher who published this particular examinations book. 450 rupees this book cost actually, right? One more book I have given you over here, that is a study package for NTSC class 10th. This is also from McGraw-Hill. Okay, 561 rupees for this particular examination, and this is for MAT and SAT both. NTSC from Disha publication. This is also a good book actually, right? I have gone through with all the details of this particular book, and this is very beneficial for stage 1, and you will get question bank for this particular exam over here as well, right? And paperback, that's 332 rupees was there. Okay, then one more book is from Arihant publication, right? Which is NTSC MAT and SAT both, right? So 554 rupees, sorry, 545 rupees exam actually this particular book cost is over here. So thanks for watching this fantastic video, my dear. So yes, before stopping this particular video, I would like to tell you, my dear, that please go and subscribe this particular video and hit the like icon and share this particular video to all the friends who are definitely wanting for this particular examination. Bye bye, thank you and take care.